Welcome back. We're happy to have you return to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process of generating reports. But first, let's start with a brief overview. Reports are a great way to collect essential data regarding your platform usage. Through reports, you can obtain valuable insights into campaign and account performance, effective budget management, and other critical aspects of your outreach efforts. So, let's jump in. Go to the Reports section on the main menu. Now let's name your report. As a helpful tip, choose a distinctive name that will be easy to recognize later on. This will make things more convenient for you in the future. Choose the channel for which you wish to create the report. Move to the next slot to pick the time frame you want to analyze. You can select from our predefined options, or if you prefer, you can fully customize it by choosing the custom category located at the bottom of the scrollable menu. If you opt for the custom option, the start and end date slots will become active. Be sure to select the desired dates from the scrollable calendar. Next, choose the account for which you wish to generate a report. Finally, click the Generate Report button. Once everything is set, you will have access to your report on the right-hand side column of your screen under Report History. Press the File and downside arrow icon to download the report directly onto your computer. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and we hope you have an amazing day.